Hi, I'm Sam from Matter Solutions, and today I'm going to be talking about 5 common misconceptions about Google Ads and why they're bogus. Today the misconceptions we'll be discussing will relate to expensiveness, ineffectiveness, and click fraud. But first off, if I can get you to like that button, if you like the video. If you don't like the video and have some questions, comment below. And other than that, let's get into it. Many people come to me and say that they don't click on Google Ads and so therefore everyone else mustn't. Usually about 15% will click on Google Ads, the other 85% will go to organic. However, I say why not go for 100% of the search impression share? And why wouldn't you want that extra 15% if it only costs you when someone clicks on your ad? The second misconception is the more I pay, the better I rank, the more sales I get. Well, I prefer to look at it like optimize your keywords, optimize your ads, and optimize your landing page so you can pay the same or less to get more sales. The third misconception is that being a pay-per-click system, your competitors will just jump on and click out your ads, spending all your money for the day, and you get nothing from it. Google does have a system in place that stops this. However, if that is a major concern, there is also other pieces of software that stop this. With that out of the way, let's get to the fourth misconception, which is that being number one is the most important ad position. This is just untrue. Again, essentially, it does depend on a variety of factors, including your industry and your business. However, position 2 and 3 are often much cheaper and much more cost effective for your business. So with those 4 down, we're into the 5th and, in my opinion, the most egregious of all of the misconceptions, which is throwing in as many keywords as possible into your Google Ads and hoping that they work. This is the worst thing you can do for any account, and I see it so often. And it most likely is the biggest contributor to the other 4 misconceptions, being that they're ineffective and too expensive. A good keyword strategy is tried and tested and must be employed. I've been Sam Fields from Matter Solutions. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you didn't like the video or you've got some misconceptions you want answered yourself, comment below. And finally, if you want to see more and I want to see more of you, hit that subscribe button. I hope this has helped.